Hi Dr. Horan, this is Laura Campen. This is my introduction video. So currently I'm a third year teacher teaching second grade, and I work in Milton, Georgia. A fun fact about me is that I'm left-handed, but also that I come from a family of teachers. So my mom is a teacher. She was a teacher for 33 years and retired 2 years ago. My sister is a fifth grade teacher currently. My aunt was a teacher, and my grandma was also a teacher, so that kind of is how I got inspired to get into the teaching field. So currently I'm in the program for my master's to get my educational psychology gifted in creativity, and I started the program in the summer of 2018, so this is my third semester of graduate school. But the reason that I entered this program is because 3 years ago, when I was starting the education career, I just really felt that I was supported in helping lift the levels of my struggling learners. However, I wasn't really supported in learning and getting to know more about how I can support those higher learners, my gifted learners, and so I really wanted to find out strategies to really help all my students in my classroom and not just one group. I don't really have much experience with research, and I'm still kind of getting to learn about action research. Reading the article this week about action research and looking at the video, that kind of helped me to understand more about what it is. So I'm still kind of trying to figure out what my interests are, what I might want to research for this course. But I think the biggest thing is that one thing we learned about last semester in one of my classes is how to create a classroom that's more differentiated, but I think more research could be done in that of helping to transition my classroom to be more differentiated for all my learners. And another idea I have is that I could increase creativity and incorporating creativity into my teaching in my courses, and currently I'm taking a creativity and diversity class that I feel like creativity is an important part of including into my teaching, and that's something I could research and learn more of how I could add that into my classroom more. But the goal that I really have for the end of this course and really for my degree is that I can get more strategies and resources to really be implementing into my classroom, supporting gifted learners, and being able to create that learning environment where all my students feel like they're being challenged and growing as learners.